Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm the founder of Nix Labs. I've been building full-stack web applications for about a decade and decentralized applications for about a half decade. Over the past 2 years, I've been researching Web 4 and playing with utilizing Web 3 technology in cool and new ways. So what is Web 4? Web 4 to date still has no concrete definition, but a theoretical definition posted by IEEE in 2016 describes Web 4 theoretically as the symbiotic web. Our team has been rolling with that definition. Our main research focuses have been looking at different ways to integrate AI technology directly into the network layer tech stack to improve throughput, scalability, and security of networks in general. The Nexus started 2 years ago now, but for our EthToronto submission, we'll be sharing 3 products we built over the last 30 days. Our first product demo can be found to the bottom right of our website's window. This is our resident AI chatbot, Nix. Nix was developed by leveraging vector database technology, existing large language models, and blog documentation from some of our work at Nix. She's still fairly basic and doesn't know everything, but she's learning. And building on top of her, we can do a lot of cool stuff in the future in terms of user experience, having her help users manage their cybersecurity systems in real time, run transactions, and much, much more. At the moment, you can ask her some simple questions about the Nix in some of our work. You can ask her stuff like, what is Web 4? There you go. She replied, she said, Web 4.0, also known as the symbiotic web, is a concept that refers to the future development of the internet. What are the glitch? Cool. So here she talks a little bit about the glitch, which is our flagship boss monster NFT collection. And yeah, so that's our first product demo. Hope you like it. Okay, so our second product demo can be found by going to play up here in the nav bar, going down to auto battles. And then we have a demo here as well as the deployed smart contract utilizing auto battle game. So you can pick either or here. I'll just do the demo. So here you can see your inventory, which in the live game will display all of your NFTs in your wallet. Here you can see a core NFT as well as all the different data stick NFTs. The way the equipment works in this game is you equip your core, a certain number of USB data sticks, and each USB data stick gives your character a separate ability or stat buff, similar to how in the Matrix Neo learned karate from a video, if that makes sense, if that reference hits, I'm not sure. But anyways, here we go. So I'll equip these 3 data sticks. You can see they gave me abilities, and these abilities all have different chances of hitting when I battle bosses. So I go here. PvP isn't available yet. Click here, it'll just say coming soon. Go to the glitch challenges. You can see 88 bosses encounterable at the moment. Summon a boss. And what was summoned here is actually one of our glitch NFTs. So you can see here, you see the 3D animated GIF. You can see some stats here based off the unique attributes of the NFT. And we'll just start combat. And it's an auto battle combat game, so all of the battling is done automatically. You just kind of sit back and let it happen. Cool. So we defeated the glitch. We got no loot. Some loot drops. And those go into our inventory, and yeah, that's the game. All right, so our last product demo is probably our most involved. It will require you to log in. And once you log in, what you'll see if you haven't already set it up is you'll see a link to our GitHub to install a client application that will run on your network and effectively capture packet data in real time. And then that packet data is sent to an API, and we store it in a database, and then we display it here in our web dashboard in this cool little 3D interactable network graph. Right now, this network map is running on an EC2 instance on AWS. So it's pretty simple. You're only going to see a couple different ports interacting, and you can show ports. So what this basically is a 3D visual representation of packet data over this time period, this time range up here. And this packet data has ports involved. It has IPs, obviously. And then based off destination or sources, we have color coordination here. Nodes depict unique active devices and ports in your network, while the size of nodes and links depict the number of times they appear in packets during the selected time frame. Click on a node to isolate its traffic on your network. Adjust the time frame you would like to visualize, or customize the color of your nodes. So yeah, that's the basic functionality we have right now in this 3D map. We also have GPU and CPU usage in real time. But if you want to get a little bit more involved, we have this set up. Now what this is a SIEM product, which is a security information event management software. Basically what we were working on developing ourselves, we found open sourced by Wizza. So what we've done over the past month is set up a Wizza dashboard. We've connected it to our cybersecurity subscription so that everyone who subscribes is given a login to our Wizza dashboard and given the access to the CM. So they're able to create agents, monitor their networks, check for anomaly detection, security vulnerabilities, check for compliance. Basically anything that a big corporation would need or want in cybersecurity, anyone now has access to via our cybersecurity subscription. So yeah, let me just log in here. And then once in, you'll see kind of the scale of functionality with this dashboard. It's really quite impressive. You can browse through your security alerts, identifying issues and threats in your environment. You can do integrity monitoring, policy monitoring, system auditing, security configuration assessments, vulnerabilities, MITRE attacks. And then you have a bunch of different regulatory compliances to kind of check your systems against. So it's a very powerful tool. We set it up. It's web hosted. Yeah, it's ready to be used by anyone. Our cybersecurity subscription is currently a tiered system. So we have a free tier, a basic tier, a standard tier, and a business tier. And we also offer bundles. If you would like to do an annual subscription, you can save some money. Yeah, well, I do want to keep it as brief as possible. Obviously, I did just go into a lot of different things, so hopefully it wasn't too confusing. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for kind of tuning in and taking a little tour through my development with me. Yep, thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day. Take care. Peace out.